Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, I wanted to give y'all a quick update on proof of weak hands, man. This coin is going crazy. With Ethereum being up to over $500 and proof of weak hands recovered fully, you know what I'm saying, from that initial sell-off, and Ethereum is at a higher price right now, and proof of weak hands is almost, $9. So what I want to do on my account, I want to just show y'all how to reinvest on proof of weak hands. I'll have a link below if you want to join proof of weak hands, but right now I got 69.3 coins. So when I reinvest this, it should bring me to exactly 70 P3D coins. So I'm about to do that for y'all right here. And you just reinvest, and then you have to be logged on to your MetaMask wallet within Google Chrome. Takes a minute, maybe because my computer is just slow. Insufficient funds for this transaction. I gotta do. So another thing to remember, what I should have did, I should have cashed out some money and put it into my MetaMask wallet, because it costs. The thing about Ethereum is it just costs. We paying gas prices, and the best gas price to do a transaction is like 6. You need about 40 cents. As you can see, I got about 14 cents just sitting in my account. So that's something to keep in mind too. When you want to get involved with this, you just gotta be knowledgeable about cryptocurrency. This is not for everybody, but it's money in this. So I just put in my reinvest order because it was only one gas when we're supposed to do about 5 to 6. It might take a little longer. So let me just refresh. Yeah, it looked like it's gonna take longer than I thought. So it's your boy Yon World. I'm gonna just leave that right there. But proof of weak hands is going what they call parabolic. Proof of weak hands is going, in my terms, crazy. This shit is going crazy. It's going to the moon. Man, it was a YouTuber's name was Time is Crypto. Everybody go follow Time is Crypto, man. He got all of the, game about this shit and the math, and just making me want to dive deeper into it. As you can see right now, still at 69. It's because of the gas limit. So it just takes a little bit longer when you don't have at least 5 or 6 gas limit. But it was put out. Let me just see. Refresh one more time for y'all. Put back on my fucking instrumental. Y'all thought this was. Yeah. Alright. Look like the gas limit gonna take a minute. So yeah. It's your boy Yon World. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.